There's a certain kind of calm joy in unboxing something new. Today, I'm opening the All Day Comfort Ombre Blonde Highlight Loose Body Wave Wig with Bangs from Luvme Hair. You'll notice this box isn't completely full. This shipment actually came with 2 wigs inside. The details for the other wig are or will be up on my channel if you'd like to see that as well. And inside this box are the familiar set of thoughtful extras. We have the wig itself, we have a custom beauty sponge, a custom Luvme Hair clip, a set of Velcro strips to help secure your hair underneath your wig, a set of HD wig caps, the box label card, a user guide, and a mesh storage bag. The presentation from Luvme Hair always feels deliberate, like every detail has been considered. Now, this unit is a 7x6 closure with HD lace and pre-cut edges. It's crafted for comfort with breathable mesh inside and adjustable straps for a secure but lightweight fit. And instead of one singular adjustable strap in the back, this wig features the advanced smart clips, which allow you to adjust this wig to 3 different head sizes. That's going to give you a super secure, very comfortable and snug fit. The hair itself is a loose body wave, soft and flowing with subtle bounce. And what immediately stands out about this unit is the color, a natural base interwoven with ombre blonde highlights. The tones blend seamlessly, offering dimension without any harsh contrast. And even with the bangs, the wide lace area gives you that flexibility to adjust the parting and explore many different hairstyles. Now, here's the wig as it comes straight out of the box. No adjustments, no products, no extra anything. The bangs fall very gently, not blunt, but softly layered. They frame the face rather than hiding it. And the body wave gives the style some movement. The color immediately brightens up this look. As you can see, even without any styling, this wig carries a very polished look. So off camera, I did brush through the waves for a looser, more effortless texture. This wig really doesn't need much, just a little bit of brushing to soften the pattern. And with the bangs in place, styling this wig becomes nearly effortless. There is no melting any lace, there's no heavy customization. This wig comes designed, ready to wear. I am wearing this wig 100% glueless. The HD lace blends seamlessly into the skin, and this 7x6 closure offers a generous amount of parting space. Even with the bangs, you're not limited, okay? You can shift the part for subtle changes. And as you can see from every angle, this hair keeps its softness and natural shine. And having bangs means you'll never have to stress about melting your lace along the hairline. You can simply throw this wig on and go, and it will always look amazing. Also, one of the luxuries of this piece is its versatility. As you can see, I tried out several different hairstyles with this wig. Here, I clipped one side back for a simple, elegant profile. I also did a half up, half down. And with this hairstyle, the color layering becomes way more visible, giving dimension to the style, and it looks so cute. Also did a quick claw clip updo to transform the hairstyle into something easy yet polished. These bangs add a touch of softness to every look, keeping each style framed and flattering. My thoughts? I absolutely love the way the bangs are cut. They're not harsh, but curved to follow the face. The color feels elevated, not streaked, and the lace space means you aren't locked into just one look. And because of the bangs, it's incredibly low maintenance. No baby hairs to finesse, no extra time spent trying to perfect the perfect lace melt. You can just slip this wig on, brush it through, and it looks styled. That balance of ease and elegance is what makes this wig stand out to me. If you'd like to try this wig for yourself, Luvme Hair is offering 28% off with my coupon code. You'll find all the details and the direct direct link in the description box below. This wig combines color, comfort, and simplicity in a way that feels both modern and timeless. If you enjoyed this unboxing and want to see more luxury wig reviews, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.